The new Showmax is here and the hype has been up and up everywhere on the internet, social media. And as someone who has been a subscriber of Showmax for the past 1 year plus, I think it's important we review the new Showmax 2.0. Moving from 1.0, which no longer functions now. This is February 2024. Your Showmax 1.0 can no longer work. If you open the app, it will request that you update to the new 2.0. So in this video, I'm going to show you the switch, some of the challenges you're going to face, how to navigate them, and some of the interesting new features on the new Showmax 2.0. With Showmax, you can actually watch all kinds of entertainment, even live football Premier League matches for about $3.50 a month, which is no brainer. You don't need to have anything apart from a smartphone or a smart TV or a computer browser, and then you can go on and enjoy your Showmax. So if you're ready, come with me, let's go check this out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I'm so excited to have you back on this one. You see, Showmax is something that I've enjoyed over the years, and it's something I recommend to people. If you're new to our channel, why not click on that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell icon to get videos like this. Let's jump into this now. The first thing that you're going to do if you're an existing customer is the challenge of moving from the Showmax 1.0 to Showmax 2.0. Of course, it's a new app. There are new changes, there are new features, and also there will be new challenges. I'm going to start with the challenges, and then at the end, watch to the end, because that's where I'm going to bring out the new features. Okay, first of all, I went to my old Showmax and it told me I can no longer watch the old Showmax, and then I clicked on the download to download the new Showmax 2.0. When I downloaded it, I realized right now that I now have two Showmax apps right on my phone, and I was like, come on, it should have been a seamless single update, but that didn't happen. As a computer scientist and also an app developer, it really gets on my nerve. I actually did a video about this for GT World Nigeria, their mobile app. You can check that video here, where an update completely threw people out of their database, out of their system. They have to create a new sign-in, a new stuff again just by doing an app update. That is not really good for ease of use and best user experiences. So I keep always saying this: you cannot just update an app and create something completely new for the users. It's going to discourage a lot of people. So an app update could have happened from inside the app so that we will retain the databases. So after and that is the next thing I'm going to talk about. So after the shock of having two Showmax app, Showmax 1 and the new Showmax 2.0, all in my phone, I can't use the Showmax 1.0. Of course, I'll definitely uninstall that. But then I opened the Showmax 2.0 and realized that I have to sign in again. Of course, I did save my password in the other app, but yeah, it's a different app, so I have to go find my password to be able to log in. And then when I finally found my password and logged in, I was hit by network error. Come on, my network was working. I was watching other stuff. I was hit by network error, and that was the first bad impression. Of course, I left it. The following morning I tried. I was able to log in, and then I was now realizing that, wow, where are all my downloaded videos? They are inside the Showmax app 1. I can't bring it to the Showmax app 2, but that's not even all. I realized that all my records and profile that are stored for the kids and all that are gone. I've actually made an account for the kid that I applied PIN and other thing, for supervision. That is no longer on my account when I logged in into the new one. Like that is not bad enough. I decided to go check out the kids, because most time I use it for the kids. I decided to go check out the kids account just to realize that I was having problem with the PG ratings. So my kids profile was set by default in the new Showmax, so PG 10 to 12. And then when I click on videos or movies or cartoons that should be under that PG-10 and within PG-10 to 12, it still didn't work. I have to go back again to check. I have to do that. I have to do this. I have to do that. I have to do this. It's part of the things that you have to realize. If you're watching your shows in your old Showmax 1.0, everything you downloaded cannot come over to the new Showmax 2.0. You have to re-download them again. Talking about the re-download, I have to re-download some of my shows in the new Showmax 2.0. And since I don't know what quality is the highest quality, they don't tell whether it's full HD or 2K or 4K. I just have to download the highest quality. Maybe when I'm rewatching it, I'm gonna be able to know. The UI looks good. It's becoming a little bit similar to DStv streaming, but it's a little bit improved. The new logo, it's quite interesting. But apart from that, I really don't see anything that is much different from the old Showmax to the new one. Now, here is what I expected for them to do, to have landscape mode on this app. I was hoping that they do this in the new Showmax 2.0, but they didn't do that. You see, most of the things you consume is in landscape mode, but it's unfortunate that if you go to DStv now, which probably they are beginning to look a little bit like DStv stream, if you turn your phone to landscape mode, everything moves into landscape. You can see the menu, you can switch into catch up or live TV or home or downloads, whichever one that you want to go in, you can do it. And once you go in to watch anything, it will still be in that landscape mode, and you just keep on enjoying it. Now, coming back to the new Showmax, it is not like that, and that is quite painful, because you can watch shows in landscape, but once you go back, it goes into portrait mode. If you're a DStv Premium subscriber, you can go to the description, or you can even check the cards right now to watch my video about how you can watch Showmax free with your DStv Premium subscription. So let's talk about the good things about the Showmax. Showmax is actually the best value for money video streaming service that you can get around Africa. It's the best value for money. With about $3.50, you cannot believe you watch all the Premier League, and also you watch some of their listings, which they have some good movies. Their listings in terms of new movies, their exclusives, their shows, videos, even global film. Like you saw me download the Transformer, although it's a bit late. The Transformer I downloaded was from last year, but yeah, it's there, and it's kind of interesting. If you are thinking, okay, if you're a football fan, should I get Netflix? It's actually cheaper than Netflix in Nigeria. Should I get Netflix Premium, or should I get Showmax? If you're a football lover, of course, Showmax is just a win for me. You get to watch your football, you also get to watch some entertainment. They are not as loaded as Netflix, but that's if you're a football fan, you just watch the football and then add one or two entertainment. And they are also good in Nigerian movies and African movies, and also some of global movies also. But if you are all into top class movies and all that, maybe you can choose Netflix. But I will really recommend Showmax if you really want to mix entertainment with the best of sports, because it's actually cheaper than DStv Premium. Of course, I talked about how you can use your DStv Premium to watch Showmax, but if you're going to get DStv Premium, you have to get the dish, you have to pay the subscription, which is way higher than what you do with Showmax. So yeah, make sure you click on like, share, and click on that subscribe button. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I see you.